So hi guys, welcome, and extremely sorry for the 5 minutes delay. There was an internet problem, and you know these things keep on happening in what they call as digital India. So anyways, welcome. So well, it's like I thought it's been so long in my own journey in IT, and it's not just about IT, it's about anything you want to do. And I thought that it's high time to share my secret of success, and to share my journey with you all, and to share how I came where I am today. And the reason I'm doing it is because I think that secret is something which belongs to nature, and something which belongs to all of us. But it is just that someone happens to discover that wealth, someone happens to discover that secret, and then many of us already may have done that, but there are people who would want to share, and there are people who don't want to share. And of course, the people who want to share do so because they know that by sharing the secret, by sharing the ideas, of course they and the other people themselves would prosper. Like I don't know whether you know this very interesting anecdote between George Bernard Shaw and his student. Like his student once asked George Bernard Shaw that, "Sir, why do you always share ideas and encourage people to share ideas?" So he told him that if you have one apple and if I have one apple and we exchange it, how many apples will we eventually have? So he said, "We'll have one apple each again." He said, "Yes. But let's say if you have one idea and I have one idea and we share both, how many ideas two of us will have?" He said, "Two of us will have two ideas, because I will have mine and you will have yours, and you wouldn't lose yours." So he said, "Exactly, my friend. If there is, let's say there are 50 people together and each one of them share ideas, so just imagine 50 square, that many ideas people will have, because this is an exponential theory." And well, I am not here to actually give you a pravachan or something like that. I'm just here to share how I succeeded. And I think it's always the case that there are two basic mindsets. One mindset is interested in setting records, creating records, and one mindset is about setting examples. And I belong to the latter category, because the records are set with an intention that you would want to retain the record as much as you want till someone comes and breaks it, and you have to sportingly obviously accept that someone broke it. Example is to be set so that everyone follows it, and that is the reason I believe in setting examples. And of course, I am not going to talk about everything, but the main part, me being the first Indian visually impaired IT professional, and when I did it, there were only just 3 in Asia. So obviously, it was not something which was very easy. But having said that, I think now when I look back and when I want to share my journey with all of you, I think I can make it much easier when you want to do something against the odds, when you want to do something, even forget against the odd. If you want to succeed in your career, if you want to do what you like, or do what it takes to become prosperous, successful, well known, or whatever you would want to do. I mean, everyone wants something else. Everyone doesn't want to be successful. There might be people whom in Hindi we call them as awliya. They just want to give, they just want to be like known. Then there are people who just want to be prosperous, they want to have a lot of wealth, whether they become famous or not. And then there are people who just don't want to do anything but want to be famous. That's it. I know a lot of people from the free software community who claim that they just want to be famous, and that's why they keep doing what they do. So I thought, why not share this, because everyone would love to have the secret, right? I mean, those who would love to have the secret, you can just comment saying yes, so I would know that you do want to know the secret. Because time is so precious that I wouldn't want to waste a moment of anyone else, because I never want to waste my own moment. So obviously, if you want to hear it, I am here to tell you. So already there are quite a few people who actually have been motivating me to do this. and I'm very sure they might be listening right now. Basically, my entire journey is based on a theory or an ideology, or you can say a key, and I have got that key for you today, so you can unlock your own success. It's called the DIBE philosophy. It's DIBE. It's something which I myself developed, and let me tell you, this may not be anything new. When I tell you at the end of it, बहुत लोग बोलेंगे यार ये तो हमको पता है, we know this, और ये तो सही है, ये तो ऐसे ही होता है, but then we are not doing it. We are consciously not doing it, and we have to do it consciously. I learned it, sometimes the hard way, sometimes the easy way, sometimes the crooked way, sometimes the straight way, but I learned it myself. So what is the DIBE? DIBE means decide, investigate, believe, and execute. And I will tell you through my own story, through my own journey, how I did it and how I became successful, and how even you can be successful. And of course, I am from the IT field, so I am going to talk about my IT career, obviously. But mind you, the same thing applies to everyone. So how it started? Well, it's very strange, as people say, and a lot of times when a lot of interviews happened, a lot of people did ask me, how did you ever imagine? Because a visually disabled person and computers is such a difficult thing, and how did you imagine it? In a nutshell, I always tell them that when I am a programmer, I'm thinking ideas, I'm thinking solutions, I am thinking, user interfaces, I'm thinking logic. And when I say thinking, and I deliberately use the word thinking, basically I use a ThinkPad for those who are IT professionals and who are passionate about this. So that think word is in there. Basically, thinking doesn't need eyes. And if you have ever seen my Facebook profile, I always keep on telling people that vision is more important than eyesight. You may have eyesight, but if you don't have a vision, and that vision may not be always to start a startup or become a big businessman. The vision may be to get a good job. The vision may be to climb the corporate ladder. The vision may be to learn a new technology and become successful. It could be anything. So, how it happened? Because that is the root, and that's where the D starts, deciding. How did I decide that I want to be a software engineer? Now, when you want to decide, there are two phases to deciding first. One is realization and the other is observation. Now, in my case, where did this happen? Well, I was in 7th standard and my parents actually sent me to US to see some educational perspective. I come from a middle class family, and it was actually a very hard, tough decision to send me all alone. Okay. The good thing was I was in a sighted school. I never went to a blind school, so I was attuned to playing around people and mixing up, socializing in a very normal, usual way. And of course, I was in English medium, so that was another helpful factor in my favor. So they did send me. And when I was seeing different schools, one school for the blind was there, and they had a talking typewriter. So when you type A, it will say A. When you type B, it will say B, and so on. So I was very interested. I was intrigued by that. बहुत मैं उसके ऊपर आकर्षित हो गया, और मेरे अंदर एक जिज्ञासा, एक कुतूहल सा जनरेट हुआ कि ये क्या है, ये किस तरह से बात करता है, क्योंकि टाइपिंग तो मैंने सीख रखी थी. आई न्यू टाइपिंग. So I asked the teacher over there that how is it that this machine talks when I type something? So she said in an American accent, she said, well, this machine has got a program inside it. So इसमें एक program है, computer program. So I was a very small kid. I said, what program? You mean that program on TV and radio, like that program? So she smiled. She said, yeah, it's kind of like that. It's a bit different. अब ये different क्या था मुझे समझना था, मुझे जिज्ञासा थी. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, मुझे बहुत सारे ब्रेल बुक्स और कैसेट्स दिए. I got those cassettes and braille books home, and I read it for a couple of years, and then I observed that it's nothing but there are a set of instructions which you put into an artificial brain called processor, and the computer also has its own senses, like we have eyes, ears and all. It has a keyboard, a screen and stuff like that, input and output devices and all. And it's such a powerful device, and it's such a powerful machine that you can actually get anything done through it. All that you have to do is you have to give specific instructions, you have to assemble specific things like as in keyboard and all that, and see to it that the brain, that is the processor, uses those senses, like we use our senses, uses those senses and gets the work done. It's like sequentially imposing or representing your idea on a brain. That's what I understood. It's like creating an artificial brain. एक अपने अकल की डुप्लीकेट क्लोन बना के एक कृत्रिम ब्रेन में डालना, ये होता है प्रोग्रामिंग, ये होता है सॉफ्टवेयर. I was like, wow. I mean, tomorrow, if the things become very powerful, there will be no limit. Everything can be done using this. Now that was observation, and then I realized that ये मुझे करना है. Then I decided कि यही मुझे करना है. So you have to first observe and you have to realize. Realization कभी कभी पहले होता है कि यार ये मुझे करना है. You get passionate, you get intrigued about something, and you see, wow, this is something. I mean, with great scientists, the realization has happened first. I mean, talk about Albert Einstein, talk about Louis Pasteur, talk about any scientist you want, Leo Tolstoy, or any one great person. Not that I am so great. I am not even, one particle of the sand in front of such people. I mean, Sir Isaac Newton खुद ये कहते थे, तो मैं तो कौन हूँ? But then ये realization होना जरूरी होता है, और मुझे वो हुआ. And I thought ये बहुत कमाल की चीज है. तब बहुत ज्यादा नहीं था. आज तो हम लोग बैठ के यहाँ वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग वगैरह कर रहे हैं. मैंने तब सिर्फ ये इमेजिन किया था कि ये ऐसा आगे चल के होगा. और तभी टेक्नोलॉजी बस इंडिया में आ रही थी, एंड आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट ऑल द न्यू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक थिंग्स व्हिच वर कमिंग अप. बचपन में एक सीरियल लगती थी जायंट रोबोट, एंड द रोबोट यूज्ड टू फ्लाई. इट यूज्ड टू टेक ऑडियो इंस्ट्रक्शन, जैसे घड़ी खोल के वो उनका ऑपरेटर इंस्ट्रक्शन देता था. सो ये तो देख के मैं और ऐसे इंप्रेस था ही पहले से, ऐसे सब टेक्नोलॉजीज देख के. मैं सोचता था यार ऐसे ब्रेन में अगर हम लोग ने अपनी अकल डाल दी और उससे कुछ ज्यादा पावरफुल गैजेट से काम करवाए तो स्काई इज द लिमिट. और वो मैं समझ गया था वो टाइम पर. So that was a decision. I want to be a software engineer. Now decision तो हो गई. मैं 10th में मेरिट लिस्ट में आया था, एंड तब मेरिट लिस्ट हुआ करती थी. तो तभी मुझे वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में हॉल में पूछा गया मेरे स्कूल की, what do you want to do? I said I will become a software engineer. There was absolute pin drop silence, and there were some gazes later on I came to know from my parents. And some people thought I was a fool. बच्चा है, क्या बोल रहा है? Just a small kid of 14-15 years. What he is talking about? Then I was like, okay. But then I started to investigate. Is it really possible for me? Is it feasible for me? Not because of money or something. Of course, money is an issue. But I am disabled. I have to accept it. There are limitations. There are things I can do better than you. But there are things you can do better than me. No one is perfect in this world. Right? No one is perfect. I hope you all agree. Now the investigation part came, and that time you have to read a lot. That time you have to talk to seniors. You have to talk to the people who support you. You have to talk to, more importantly, people who criticize you, because you are going to really evaluate it. एक बहुत ही अच्छा शेर है. कहते हैं कि दोस्ती जब किसी से की जाए, दुश्मनों की भी राय ली जाए. तो अगर दुश्मन कहते हैं इसे दोस्ती मत करना, मतलब आपको जरूर करनी है, बिकॉज वो तुम्हारा दुश्मन है. So I mean, this is an extreme example, but telling you that people who will criticize will help you self-evaluate. So that is the part of the I part of it. That you have to investigate. You have to do it very systematically, and you have to be prepared to at times even sacrifice what you thought before. Maybe I would have had to, but I think I was on the right track that time. So, of course, I started to investigate. Are there talking softwares in India? No. Will a college give me admission in computer science? No. Is there a chance that in some years this technology might come in India? My answer was a resounding yes. And that yes was a very fundamental part of my investigation. When I researched about it, when I investigated what I could do, then I really talked to a few people who are already doing programming. Now I had a good circle whose parents were researchers, whose parents were into industry and all, and I knew quite a few people. And I asked them what exactly programming is. ये होता कैसे है? मुझे मालूम है क्या है, अब तो मुझे मालूम पड़ गया है क्या, लेकिन ये किया कैसे जाता है? The most astonishing thing I came to know, इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है. A lot of people who already knew a bit of computers told me, you just have to have a keyboard. You have to learn a specific language like Hindi, Marathi, English, Urdu, German, whatever. Computer की एक अपनी भाषा होती है, अपनी भाषाएं होती है. There are languages of computers. You have to learn it. You cannot talk to computer like naturally we talk. That is called natural language processing, by the way, जिसके बारे में मैं फिर कभी बात करूंगा. But computer has its own set of words, restrictions, and synonyms, its own way of expressions. Okay, what you call as a syntax. Now, कभी कभी अजीब होता है. सिंटैक्स नाम की पानी की टंकी क्यों बनी, उसमें कौन सा सिंटैक्स यूज हुआ था मुझे मालूम नहीं, लेकिन वहां लीकेज हुआ तो चलेगा, आपके कोड में कभी लीकेज नहीं होना चाहिए, याद रखना. तो सिंटैक्स होता है और वो आपको कीबोर्ड से टाइप करना है, स्क्रीन पे जो दिखता है, और फिर वो इकट्ठा करके उसको एक 0 और 1 के लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए भी और एक प्रोग्राम रहता है. अच्छा, प्रोग्राम को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए प्रोग्राम अ बिट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. फाइन, आई सेड ठीक है, इसका मतलब मुझे सिर्फ सोचना है, राइट? मुझे देखना नहीं स्क्रीन पे ये गोल आ रहा है, चौरस आ रहा है, क्या आ रहा है. मतलब मैं लिटरली क्रूड भाषा में बात कर रहा हूं इसलिए बिकॉज मैं तभी ऐसे ही सोचता था. आई यूज्ड टू से ओ इज इट लाइक दैट. और उस जमाने में आई यूज्ड टू रीड अ लॉट ऑफ शर्लॉक होम्स and I understood that logic is really nothing to do with sight. Some inputs may be associated with sites, what you call as UI and UX today. I may not be good at UI and UX even today, let me tell you. Of course, I can tell you what UI and UX is and I can guide you in making a better UI UX, but color combinations होते हैं वगैरह, वो जो ठीक है. But the bottom line is you have to actually type, you have to actually write. कंप्यूटर को बोलना है ये करो, उसके बाद ये करो, वो होने के बाद अगर ये होता है तो वो करो, नहीं तो ये करो, if and else. So you have to literally write like a train of thoughts. You have to write down your thoughts and put it into a computer in the language that computer understands. यानी मुझे सिर्फ टाइप करना है, यानी मुझे एक स्टोरी बनानी है या एक प्रोग्राम बनाना है. Then I understood what a program is. You are becoming basically a producer and a director. आपको लिटरली कंप्यूटर को डायरेक्ट करना है इस तरह से. I was further excited, बोला यार ये क्यों नहीं हो सकता है, I can do it. The moment that occurred to me, my investigation was complete. I said yes, I know I can do it and I am going to do it. Of course, I also did a counter investigation. फिर मेरे पहले क्यों नहीं किसी ने किया? इंडिया में तो सवाल ही नहीं था बिकॉज इतनी सोच किसी के आगे गई नहीं होगी. एंड वेरी फ्रैंकली फ्रेंड्स, लेट मी नॉट पेंट अ रोजी पिक्चर फॉर यू, लेट मी टेल यू द रियलिटी. वेन यू टेक अ सोशल लीप, दिस इज अ सोशल लीप कि आपके खानदान में, आपके आजू बाजू में किसी ने भी नहीं किया है, आप करते हो तो ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट होना ही होना है. डिफिकल्ट यानी people will be knowingly or unknowingly pulling your legs back. नहीं, मत करो, don't do it. And 9 out of 10 people told me don't do it. So I thought, why people have not done it? People did not do it because they never realized the DBA philosophy which I told you. They never thought of deciding and they never thought of going through this systematic way. देखते हैं सोचते हैं. No, you should never do देखते हैं सोचते हैं. If you think and if a realization happens to you, just go for it. And don't worry if it does not succeed once. Don't worry it does not succeed twice. And don't worry it does not succeed at all. There, you will at least learn what you had not to do. इतना तो कम से कम होगा ना कि आपको क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, तो ये तो आप लर्न करोगे. Now, another reason was that in India there were no such technologies available and no organization and no institute was ready to do it. Because never ever someone thought that a blind person can also be in IT. No one thought like that. Before me, there were a few blind people who knew DBase, Fox Pro. These are old technologies. They had used computers to manipulate data, but not a full-fledged IT professional who knows back-end, front-end, project management, code sharing, blah blah blah, all those things which are in the modern era thing. I was the first guy like that. So I said, fine. As they say ना, दुनिया में हर चीज पहली बार होती है. So there is a first time. For everything there is a first time. So let me be that first. Because I thought, if not me, then who? And if not now, then when? These were the questions in my mind. And when these things came, I came to the phase of belief. I believed in myself. Yes. मुझे realization हुआ है, मैंने काफी जानकारी हासिल कर लिया. I've got all the information that I know. In those days, coding was all about writing code. It was not about UI design and all. हालांकि it had slowly started to happen. But yeah. So I thought, fine, absolutely good. And then one more important thing, let me tell you. When you take a decision and when you start believing in you and when you support your belief by your investigation, tomorrow, if there is a person, आपने अगर मुझे 10 साल पहले देखा होता ऐसे थिन पतला सा आदमी, अगर मैं बोलूंगा कि मुझे रेसलिंग करनी है तो वो तो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, कोई लेके मुझे तोड़ डालता था, ब्रोकन इनटू 2. सो आपको ना सिर्फ बिलीव करके नहीं, आपको बिलीव को सपोर्ट भी करने के लिए आपके पास प्रॉपर इन्फॉर्मेशन और प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए. और इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने के लिए आपको पीएचडी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन रीड. एंड आज तो बहुत ज्यादा इजी हो गया, मेरे टाइम पे ये इजी नहीं था. सच लग्जरीज वर नॉट देयर. So if I had a belief and I had supporting facts to my belief, I said nothing doing. Now there is no looking back. मैं पीछे मुड़ के देखने वाला नहीं हूं अभी. लोगों को जो कहना है कहने दो. Even my parents were very skeptical about this. In fact, a couple of times they even dissuaded me from doing this. But मैंने तो ठान लिया था कि ये करना है. और मेरी आदत पहले से ये थी कि मैं ठान लेता हूं तो वो करता हूं। मुझे म्यूजिक भी सीखना था, मैंने सीख लिया। लोगों को लगता था मैं कैरिड अवे हो जाऊंगा, ना मैं कैरिड अवे हुआ। आईटी में तो मैंने अपना मुकाम पा ही लिया, थोड़ा बहुत म्यूजिक भी जानता हूं। सो वंस यू डिसाइड यू हैव टू बिलीव। नाउ द टाइम वाज अबाउट एग्जीक्यूशन। Now I graduated in economics because, as I told you, in those days that was one of the biggest obstacle. No one would take me in IT, and even if they do, I was not going to be able to do it simply because there was no talking software. But I got tired about that excuse also. I really get tired of excuses very soon. Like my team knows, I mean my wife knows, and my teammates know. Everyone knows कि मुझे ज्यादा देर तक excuses नहीं चलते। एक बार आपने बोला, दो बार आपने बोला, तीसरी बार मैं बोलता हूँ बस करो यार, कुछ solution नहीं कर रहा। I'm very impatient about that. ये इम्पेशंस थोड़ा जरूर भी होता है। सो व्हाट हैपेंड इज, फाइन, आई सेड नो सॉफ्टवेयर, ओके। आई गॉट इनटू मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी एंड दे डायरेक्टेड मी टू एन इंस्टीट्यूट व्हिच वाज गवर्नमेंट रन, एंड दे सेड ओके। आई टोल्ड देम आई नो टाइपिंग, क्योंकि कीबोर्ड की तरफ टाइपिस्ट कभी देखता नहीं। टाइपिस्ट तो उस तरफ देखता है जहां से उसको डिक्टेशन लेना है या जो पढ़ के टाइप करना है। तो बोला मैं तो बाय डिफॉल्ट देख नहीं पाता हूं, तो मेरे लिए तो एडवांटेज हो गया। वैसे मेरे पास बहुत सारे एडवांटेजेस है ना देखने के, आई विल टेल यू लेटर ऑन। So, well, you see, what happened is the guy took me in the lab. I said, मैं आपको करके दिखाता हूँ. So he opened the Word and he told me to type, and he started to dictate me something. तो मेरा चालू हो गया, टक 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 टक। My wife often tells me कि मैं जब टाइप करता हूँ मेरा स्पीड ऐसा है कि ऐसा लगता है तबला बजा रहा हूँ। तो एंटर कभी कभी सम पे बराबर आ जाता है, इसलिए तो मैं टाइप करने लगा। इन द लास्ट पैराग्राफ आई मेड अ मिस्टेक and I did it deliberately. I'll tell you what, I actually did it deliberately. So the guy sitting next to me said, अरे यार आपने मिस्टेक कर दिया, ये गलत लिखा है। Said, see there you are. Now their question was that how are you going to do your work on keyboard? आप कीबोर्ड तो टाइप तो कर लोगे, लेकिन स्क्रीन पे आ रहा है आपने गलती किया तो। So वो 3 Idiots में दिखाया ना डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन। So I demonstrated them कि मेरे साथ आप जनरली एक मशीन पे 2 लोगों को बिठाते हैं, तो अगर एक बंदा मेरे साथ बाजू में बैठा है जो माउस ऑपरेट कर रहा है, वो स्क्रीन तो देख पाता है ना। तो मैंने गलती क्या देखा, अभी आपने कैसे रिफ्लेक्स से उसने बता दिया आपने गलती किया। आई जस्ट डिड बैकस्पेस एंड करेक्टेड इट। दैट रियली इंप्रेस्ड देम, दैट my attitude of proving the point and the fact that I was typing very fast with very less mistakes, near to 0 mistakes. I mean, the only mistake I did was deliberate. So there my journey of becoming a software engineer started. Meanwhile, a technology came in the market. It was a talking software, not a hardware, but a software, and I was very happy. But the thing was, it was very costly. It used to cost 80,000 rupees for one license on Windows. One of my father's friend, Mr. Kishore Shah, he apparently came ahead and helped me. And another friend actually gifted me a desktop. In those days, it was like 64 MB, 32 MB RAM, 32 MB RAM and 6 GB hard disk. And that was like 70,000-80,000 rupees. A Pentium 2 processor. Well, but then it was a machine nevertheless. It was doing its task nevertheless. It had a nice CD-ROM and stuff like that. Super excited. Floppy disk drive and all. So my journey started. Now I started to learn programming. I started to do my engineering. I learned RDBMS. RDBMS, by the way, friends, is something which is not going to go away very soon. Let me tell you this. For IT professional guys, ये जो database है ना SQL, लोग बोल रहे हैं आजकल NoSQL यूज करो, MongoDB यूज करो, ये see they are good in their own place. And SQL, अगर आप ATM में जाते हो और ATM अगर MongoDB जैसे नॉन एसिड कंप्लाइंट पे चलता है, और अगर आपका ट्रांजैक्शन और आपका पैसा ही नहीं निकला तो रोल बैक होगा ही नहीं कभी। सो फाइनेंशियल एप्लीकेशंस के लिए आज भी RDBMS चलता है, पर जहां पे बहुत ज्यादा स्पीड चाहिए और एसिड कंप्लायंस नहीं चाहिए, वहां पे NoSQL इज एडवांटेज। वहां पे RDBMS इज आउटडेटेड बिकॉज स्पीड के मामले में गड़बड़ होती है। एनीवेज, कमिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट, आई लर्न विजुअल बेसिक। नाउ द रियल थिंग स्टार्टेड। विजुअल बेसिक में तो आपको स्क्रीन ड्रॉ करनी है, तो मेरा पुराना जो फंडा था, अब जब एग्जीक्यूशन की टाइम आ गई तो सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज आ गया। जब मैंने जो बोला DBA फिलोसॉफी, सो डिसाइड हुआ, इन्वेस्टिगेट हुआ, मैंने खुद में बिलीव किया, एग्जीक्यूशन शुरू भी किया। अब चैलेंज आया कि भाई अब तो सिर्फ लिखना नहीं है, यहाँ पे फॉर्म्स डिजाइन करने। आई टॉक्ड विथ द पीपल हु हैड डेवलप्ड दैट टॉकिंग सॉफ्टवेयर विच वाज कॉस्टली ऑन विंडोज, एंड आई हेल्प्ड देम टू मेक विजुअल बेसिक वर्क विथ अ टॉकिंग सॉफ्टवेयर। यहां तक कि जब मैं कोई टेक्स्ट बॉक्स या लेबल लगाता था और अगर वो अलाइन नहीं है तो वो बोलता था लेबल इज 3 centimeters above the text box. इतना अलाइनमेंट का एक्यूरेट डेटा मुझे मिलने लग गया. सो वी वर्क टुगेदर. कोलैबोरेशन इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. कोलैबोरेशन नहीं करोगे, आप सोचोगे कि मैं मेरा नहीं किसी को बताऊंगा और कोई मुझे नहीं, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. यू मस्ट कोलैबोरेट एंड यू मस्ट शेयर. अगर मैंने शेयर नहीं किया होता, मेरे शेयर करने से और भी कुछ प्रोग्रामर्स तैयार हो गए, लेकिन मेरा भी तो फायदा हुआ ना, और मेरा सबसे ज्यादा फायदा हुआ उसमें, बिकॉज सडनली नाउ आई वॉज एबल टू यूज विजुअल बेसिक. एंड देन आई ऑल्सो सॉ टू इट दैट चेक बॉक्सेस, बटन्स, ड्रॉप डाउन्स जब मैं फॉर्म पे अरेंज करूंगा, जब उसके डायग्राम्स बनाऊंगा, तब वो एक्सेसिबल हो. लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम था. नाउ टेक्निकली द प्रॉब्लम वॉज सॉल्व, बट हाउ डू आई इमेजिन वॉट इज देयर ऑन द स्क्रीन? हाउ डू आई नो वॉट इज देयर ऑन द स्क्रीन? लाइक मुझे, आप तो विजुअली देख सकते हो, मेरे लिए टैक्टाइल सेंसेशंस बहुत जरूरी है. तब मैं आईआईटी में गया. आई गॉट इंट्रोड्यूस टू अ फ्यू प्रोफेसर्स इन आईआईटी, एंड वन प्रोफेसर डिड एन एक्सेलेंट आइडिया. He took a cardboard and he took a nice long strip of wood, put it on top of that, और उसको ऐसा धीरे 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 स्लाइस करके रख दिया, थोड़ा कट्स. एंड देन उसके नीचे एक छोटा एक पेन, एंड देन he took some squares cardboard cutouts and he put like that. He said this is how your screen looks. टॉप में जो बड़ा स्ट्रिप है वो मेन्यू बार होता है, and नीचे टूल बार होता है. एंड देन he taught me how to arrange text boxes and labels. text box कैसे दिखते हैं, labels कैसे दिखते हैं, उन्होंने कटआउट्स. सी अगेन, व्हेन आई बिलीव्ड एंड व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड टू एग्जीक्यूट, व्हेन आई सॉ प्रॉब्लम्स, आई न्यू वेयर टू लुक फॉर द सॉल्यूशंस बिकॉज ऑफ द नेटवर्क. आपका नेटवर्क अच्छा होना बहुत जरूरी है, एंड इट टेक्स एफर्ट्स. इट रियली टेक्स एफर्ट्स. आपको इनोवेटिवली सोचना, आपको किस तरह से नेटवर्क बढ़ाना है, जो मैं किसी दिन बताऊंगा. आज तो बस अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है, सो ये बताऊंगा मैं किसी दिन. सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड इज आई सडनली गॉट दिस सॉल्यूशन आल्सो. आई सेड वाओ, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डू इट. सो मैंने ये सोचा, भाई ये तो उन्होंने मेरे लिए किया, लेकिन ये बाकी लोगों के लिए भी करना चाहिए. तो पहले मैंने क्या किया, आई बिकेम माई ओन सेल्फ. मैं सक्सेसफुल सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर हो गया ये सीखते. आई स्टार्टेड टू डेवलप स्मॉल सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर फार्मेसीज, फॉर साइबर कैफेज एंड ऑल. एज अ फ्रीलांसर आई स्टार्टेड टू डू इट एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट कंसल्टेंट. और मैंने खुद के अराउंड एक छोटी सी टीम डेवलप कर ली, 3-4 जन की. और टीम डेवलप करना भी एक आर्ट रहता है, और टीम आपके साथ रखना भी एक आर्ट रहता है. मेरे लिए एडवांटेज था थोड़ा, क्योंकि तब तक 1-2 न्यूज़पेपर्स में वगैरह मेरा आर्टिकल्स वगैरह आ गए थे, एंड पीपल स्टार्टेड टू स्लोली नो मी, एंड दे वर लाइक ओके दिस, ये बंदा कुछ कर रहा है. सो पीपल जॉइंड मी. देन आई स्टार्टेड टू बिकम अ बिट स्टेबल, क्योंकि मैंने ये सोच ही रखा था कि मैं ब्लाइंड कम्युनिटी के लिए कुछ करूंगा. ये 80,000 का सॉफ्टवेयर बहुत ज्यादा कॉस्टली है, ये अनबेरेबल है. एवरीवन कैन नॉट, इवन आई वाज नॉट एबल टू डू दैट, टू बी गिफ्टेड बाय समवन. तो भाई ऐसे बाकी लोगों का क्या होगा? मैं तो थोड़ी ना, मैं तो एग्जाम्पल सेट करना चाहता था. जैसे शुरुआत में मैंने बोला, आई सेड इन द वेरी बिगिनिंग आई वांटेड टू सेट एन एग्जाम्पल. एंड गाइज, आई विल बी आंसरिंग योर कमेंट्स टुवर्ड्स द एंड, सो लेट योर कमेंट्स कीप कमिंग. सो आप जिन लोगों ने फ्लाइट से ट्रैवल किया है, फ्लाइट में ना शुरुआत में एक बहुत बड़ी फिलोसॉफी हमें सुनने मिलती है, और वो लाइफ में अप्लाई होती है. व्हेन दे टेल यू हाउ टू यूज द फ्लाइट इक्विपमेंट, सिक्योरिटी थिंग एंड ऑल, so they teach you how to use oxygen mask, right? Now what is the main message they give to you? दूसरों की सहायता करने से पहले अपना नकाब ठीक से पहने. Now this is not selfishness, guys. I am going to tell you this very straight. If you want to help others, first become yourself. First become self-reliant. Sir, first help yourself. दूसरों की जय से पहले खुद की जय करे. It's a very famous song. So I became like that. And I got a break in IIT. Professor Ray from Industrial Design Center, he called me to develop a center of gravity simulation software, CG. And it was kind of full of formulas, and I had to draw a stick diagram and all. I had a good couple of friends who were very talented, and they joined in with that project, and we did that project very successfully. Java, and we had used, I think, MySQL in that. And I was the one who actually wrote the entire logic. And the guys used Java Swing and developed the UI for me. Now another thing, आपको सब कुछ आना जरूरी नहीं. You develop a team and everyone has their own speciality. मैं सब कुछ तो नहीं जानता हूं, इसलिए मैंने सोचा UI मैं नहीं करूंगा, UI दूसरों को करने देते हैं. Of course I used to guide them, and the sir used to also guide. Then I thought during that, like, okay, now I am becoming a bit stable, let me do something for free. I actually got in touch with a few people from Sun Microsystems. There was William Walker and other people. And they were already thinking of doing something, so similar minds matched, and there was born a software called Orca, O-R-C-A, Orca. It's a free and open source screen reader which is available on Linux, on Ubuntu and all that stuff. And when that happened, simultaneously after that happened, there was another project in Windows which I was not involved with because I use Linux all the time. It was called NVDA, which I am not involved with. But after taking inspiration from Orca, they also developed a free screen reader. Now the moment you get such things available to the community, immediately I could see a lot of blind people coming into computer field. Not IT field, but at least they started to use computers. They started to do stuff on computers. And that was a big satisfaction for me, that I ended up doing something which I wished I could have done before. But of course, there were restrictions. I had to become an engineer. I had to set up myself. So now I was a good freelancer doing some good work. I actually shifted a lot of companies from proprietary to open source software, which reduced their TOC. Those who don't know what TOC is, total ownership cost. Like सॉफ्टवेयर के लाइसेंसेस लेने पड़ते हैं. विंडोज लिया तो विंडोज लिया यानी वायरस ले लिया, आपको एंटीवायरस लेना ही पड़ेगा. विंडोज के साथ वायरस फ्री आता है, तो आपको एंटीवायरस लेना पड़ेगा. ऑफिस का लाइसेंस अलग से लेना पड़ेगा, उसका लाइसेंस अलग से, इसका सब. सो वंस यू शिफ्ट टू ओपन सोर्स, दैट थिंग ऑल वेंट. सो द ओनली कॉस्ट यू हैव टू पे, कॉस्ट तो पे करना पड़ता है. नथिंग कम्स फ्री इन दिस वर्ल्ड एंड नथिंग शुड कम फ्री इन दिस वर्ल्ड. कोई ना कोई कॉस्ट पे करना पड़ता है और किसी ना किसी को पे करना पड़ता है. सो I shifted them and I started to become successful. Meanwhile, what happened is I got an opportunity to work in Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education, which is a TIFR branch. And my inclination towards open source went even further. I became even more sharp in that because I had always kept on realizing that there is a digital divide and there is something which is not happening good. And people must get more exposure to technology. So I thought, why not get into this, and I started to promote open source. I still do it, of course, but more from a career point of view, because there's today, if you want to be a good successful person in IT as your career, 90-95% of your work is going to be on open source. Talk about NoSQL, talk about SQL, talk about frameworks, talk about Java, talk about Python, talk about machine learning, talk about anything. All this thing is now open source. और ये बात मैं बहुत सालों पहले बोल रहा था कि यही होने वाला है. Now talk about Visual Studio Code, VS Code, which all IT professionals know. Microsoft has released it. Microsoft has released it as open source. Microsoft, who always was the biggest enemy of open source. इससे सर आपको सबको एक लेसन मिल जाएगा that your enemies can turn into your friends. You have to have the perseverance and you have to have the right path. अगर आप सही राह पे हो तो सारे नहीं, कुछ दुश्मन आपके दोस्त जरूर बन जाएंगे. जब वो दोस्त बन जाएंगे, आपको कोई ग्रज रखना नहीं है उनके खिलाफ. यू शुड नेवर हैव ग्रजेस व्हेन योर एनिमीज बिकम फ्रेंड्स, बिकॉज दे माइट हैव रियलाइज्ड, नो. सो ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू आल्सो वॉच आउट फॉर स्पाइस हु आर प्रिटेंडिंग टू बी योर फ्रेंड्स. वो आपका दैट शुड कम इंटरनली विद इन यू एंड यू हैव टू हैव दैट इंट्यूशन एज वेल एज innovative way of knowing what it is. So I started to get fame. I started to be considered something very different, because I was not doing different things. I was doing things differently. ये होता है, because I'll tell you, when आप कोई चीज execute करते हो तो आपको एक याद रखना है, once you achieve one milestone, you want to achieve another milestone, right? And that is what your thing should be. Like I happened to meet none other than Sachin Tendulkar once, and I had opportunity to ask him one question. I asked him, मैं उनकी भाषा में बताऊंगा because I do mimicry sometimes. So I asked him that, Sachin, like when you score a century, what is your immediate thought after that? You must be in a celebrating mind. He said, no, I start from zero and I want to do a double century. This is what he told me. Century होने के बाद फिर zero से start करो. This is exactly how I always believed. I always thought that एक milestone achieve किया, अब दूसरा करना है. तो जावेद अख्तर का एक बहुत फेमस शेर है कि मेरी जिंदगी मेरी मंजिलें मुझे कुर्ब में नहीं दूर दे. कुर्ब यानी नजदीक. नो, डोंट गिव माई डेस्टिनेशंस क्लोज टू मी. मेरी जिंदगी मेरी मंजिलें मुझे कुर्ब में नहीं दूर दे. मुझे तू दिखा वही रास्ता जो सफर के बाद गुरूर दे. सो कीप माई डेस्टिनेशंस फार अवे, वन आफ्टर द अदर, सो दैट व्हेन आई फाइनली थिंक बैक, आई विल बी प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ. मुझे गुरूर होगा मेरे सफर पर. एंड दैट इज द रीजन आई केम टू शेयर माई जर्नी विथ यू as an IT professional, as a person who feels that perseverance pays, and perseverance also brings perspiration. So when you take decisions, like especially I can talk about IT. When I took my IT decision, when I became an engineer, that was not the end of it. No, because who is going to give me job? I knew job is not coming soon to me, because even though I have proved myself, even though by that time I had gone into the Macmillan's record of top 10 achievers of the millennium, like they had released this book in 2003-4 or something. They took 4 years to compile it, and I still even don't know whether I really deserved that position. I'm too young for that, you know. The names were Zakir Hussain, Kalpana Chawla, Varghese Kurian, and a few others, and yours truly. I was there in that book. I'm there in that book. And I still remember that I had told this to my wife very late, and that too accidentally, and I remember her reaction. But the thing is, I think I was too young for that, but they believed, and I respect their belief in me because I believed in myself. So I know, but still there was a mindset, companies are not going to take me, ye banda kaise karega, you know. That skepticism was there. And there is nothing wrong, because we are always about skeptical, right? When the vaccines of COVID came, I am telling you 80% of the people in India were skeptical. They had to be told, "Arey bhai, vaccine le lo, isme koi khatra nahi hai." And now 80% people are in the want of vaccine, and the vaccines are not there. Hota hai. So I thought, okay, now I had to tweak and innovatively solve my problem. And what I did, I said, okay, people aren't going to give me job. I will create job for people. I will start my own business. And I did. At least 5, 6, 7, 8 people I gave job. In the process, when I actually, by the time I joined Homi Baba Center as a project fellow, I had actually given due employment to at least 8, 10 people, and I had mentored at least 50 students by then. Now, let me tell you this, all this I started to do at a very, very, very young age, very young age. Even before becoming a software engineer, I had apparently started to write softwares. But then I did one more thing. I was a freelance journalist. I worked for Channel Y of Indian Express. I wrote for Midday for some time as a freelancer. And again there I started to develop good network. So I knew that if I did this with a foresight. By the way, one part of that the execution is that you have to have foresight. आगे के सोच के moves plan करने. तो अब journalism और IT का क्या संबंध है? Journalism IT का मेरे लिए ये संबंध था. For me it was, the relation was, I want to develop contacts. I want to know people. I want to talk to people. Who knows, tomorrow they will be of some use in my career. So apparently what happened? I started to get contracts for doing freelance. I did a lot of softwares, as I told you. And then finally, just fast forward to today, I am a director of a company, and I have started another one called Mentor Prize for mentoring people to become enterprise ready. Because यही बात है आज जो मैं आपके साथ share कर रहा हूँ, I am sharing this all with you for a very, very simple reason, that it's high time you have to be enterprise ready. Because if you don't do it now, I wouldn't say that it's late. It's never late. But most precious time is lost, and that is the reason I say here is a time that you have to become ready. And when you take decisions about such things, when I took my decision, there were factors which came through investigation. Like when I started my fintech company, before that 10 years I was developing an open source software called GNU Khata, GNUKHATA. It's a open source accounting, automation and invoicing software. I founded it in 2009, and I developed it tirelessly, and today it's being used a lot. Let me tell you why I did that. Because there was no alternative in the open source arena for big accounting softwares which people used to tally their accounts. You know what I mean. I thought if I do something like that, it will be unique, it will be something different, and it will give me future scope. So I started to do that. Similarly, when I started to teach and train people, by 2013-14, I think by 2014 itself, meanwhile a lot of things had happened. I got an award from IBM Network. It was IBM Super Idols, and then Satyameva Jayate happened and all. I had actually trained not less than 150 or 200 students, and let me tell you, my students were my big teachers. Now I know, I have learned how to mentor and how not to mentor. Because teaching is one thing. You will go on internet and you take one technology. Let's say you take up Python. You will get so many things. But where to start? What to read next? what will be more important in my point of view, I'm all jumbled up, I don't know exactly what and where. This is where you need a practitioner to tell you what to do. And I'll tell you what a practitioner is. एक कहानी कहते हैं कि एक गुरु था, you know, from an Ayurvedic field, और उसका गुरुकुल था और उसके चेले थे, उसके students थे. So one student had a problem. He went to the guru and said, I have so and so problem, it's some heart problem related thing. Tell me a solution, tell me a medicine. The guru told him, you come to me 8 days later. The Shishya was, stunned, said, I have a problem, you're telling me, okay, you go, I told you, come 8 days later. Okay. After 8 days he comes. He said, stop consuming salt, you will be alright in 15 days, because it's a very minor problem. He said, alright, I believe in you. But sir, tell me, why did you not tell me that day? Why did you tell me to come after 8 days? He said, because, young man, I left salt for 8 days and I saw myself what happens when I leave salt. How tasteless the food might become. What all I have to compromise. What will be the difference on my blood pressure? I practiced on myself and now I am preaching you. So guys, whatever I am telling you today, I am a practitioner. I have done it on myself and only then I am telling you. That is the reason in the beginning I said I am not giving any pravachan. I don't want to. Because after all, if I tell you something different, someday or the other, you will see the discrepancy and the whole thing will be adverse. So guys, there will always be obstacles. I always had obstacles. I still get obstacles, but they are fun. The reason being, otherwise there will be no... कहानी में twist नहीं है तो मजा नहीं आता है ना. So, I did this GNU Khata which I told you about, and I have on the way, developed and helped develop a lot of softwares, helped mentor a lot of students, making a choice of technology when you want to learn. Now, you might ask me, should we go behind the buzzwords or should we just stick to old things? I'll say no, it depends. First of all, you have to decide what you want to do. And now I'm specifically talking for the IT guys. Decide what you want to do. You are interested in database administration. Okay, then what's the point in doing machine learning? If you want to be a UI expert, what is the point in going into database? आपका तो काम UI से है ना. If you want to be into embedded technologies, you will have to learn C. You will have to understand what pointers are. Why would you want to learn HTML? Okay. But having said that, today's world is somewhere where you have to integrate things. So you will have to definitely, घिसी-पिटी कहावत है, master of one and jack of all. You literally have to be master of one and jack of all in these days. आपको एक बार master of one ना हो तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन jack of all तो होना जरूरी है. So even if you know a certain thing, बाकी चीजों का knowledge रखना जरूरी है. And to gain that knowledge, it's enough that you use Google and you see online videos and articles. But to be a master, you have to be with a grandmaster. Only then you can be a master. आपको उस्ताद के साथ रहेंगे तो आप खुद उस्ताद बनोगे, वरना आप उस्ताद नहीं बन सकते. For a very simple reason that master has practiced and telling you what he has learned. It's a journey, and that person actually would tell you an exact way, because a master also has some bit of customization for every student. Okay, the videos are never customized for you. Online videos, online articles, online blogs, they're not customized for you. I have 5 students with me. Everyone's understanding, जो आकलन शक्ति बोलते हैं, aptitude, attitude, understanding, grasping power is different. Their attitude is different. While the content I will share with them, while what I train them is same, but the way to do it is different. And that's where comes the mentoring part. And one very important thing, friends, when you learn any technology, you go to any course, any technology, always be conscious of one thing, and I am telling you this very seriously. 80% of your full attention should be on when and why of a technology, of a library, of a component, or of a module, whichever you are using, or of a platform. When and why. Because you might say, I know a certain framework, I will use it for everywhere. I'll tell you, you will be a failure. Because you never learned why that technology was created and when it should be used. Because most of the time you learn how and what in all the articles and all. When and why. Wherever you go, you should be learning. And if you follow this D-Way philosophy and you use the when and why technique, and if you have your proper foresight and you think, they always say out of the box. Yes, I would say you should be thinking out of the box all the time. but don't forget to create your own box, create your own niche for yourself. And if you fall, people say no, he bounced back. I will say no, don't bounce back, bounce forward. You should be bouncing forward, not bouncing back. And create your own niche. Even if you are in a team, you are a fresher, भाई ये सोचो यार, आज मैं, let me ask one question to all of you. आप लोगों को सबको ये लगता है ना यार, फ्रेशर्स के लिए खास करके, यार वो मैनेजर देखो ना किस तरह से एकदम धौस में रहता है, एंड ही प्लान्स थिंग्स एंड ही टेल्स अस टू डू. आपको ये लिखना है, आई एम गेटिंग दिस कोड फ्रॉम यू टुमारो एंड दिस, यू वांट टू बी देयर वन डे, राइट? यार मुझे भी ये करना है. व्हेन यू सी योर बॉस, ही इज हैविंग ऑल दिस फ्लैम्बॉयंट थिंग, ही हैज हिज कार एंड ही हैज एवरीथिंग, यार मुझे भी चाहिए. ये हो सकता है. Only thing is you have to follow the D-Bay philosophy which I told you. Like decide, investigate, believe, and believe is the biggest thing. अगर believe ही नहीं करोगे ना तो execution भी नहीं होने वाला. And then execute, and execution के time आपको बहुत सारे hurdles आने वाले. And just before I end, I just want to say that there is nothing like disability or ability. I feel that we all are able. You all are able. You all are champs. The only thing is, sometimes that cloud has to go and someone has to struck a lightning. तब सब कुछ एक झटके में दिख जाता है. उसके बाद चाहे अंधेरा हो जाए, लेकिन रास्ता तो भाई देख लिया. यू शुड हैव दैट ऑब्जर्वेशन पावर कि मैंने रास्ता तो एक बार देख लिया, अब तो अंधेरा होगा तो भी मैं चल के जाऊंगा बराबर से. सो बी अलर्ट, बिकॉज फ्रेंड्स, अपॉर्चुनिटी कैन स्ट्राइक योर डोर एनी टाइम. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू एंड माई लिटिल शेयरिंग विथ यू with one last thing. People say na, opportunity comes only once. I'm going to give you a rosy picture, but it's not really rosy. It's a matter of fact. मैं experience से बोलता हूँ, opportunity comes multiple times, not once. Now you decide, are you going to be a fool to live all the opportunities away, or you will say चलो एक गई, दूसरी गई, तीसरे आने वाले और मैं तीसरे को तो hit करूंगा. Opportunity never comes once. Opportunities are always there. चारों तरफ से knock करती रहती है. आपको सुनाई देना चाहिए, आपको दिखाई देना चाहिए. And that is the reason I always say that vision is important more than sight. So I'll end my little sharing with my own share. My कविताएं लिखता हूँ कभी कभी, तो I'll end this. And my takhallus, or the pen name as it called, is Nisar. So whenever you see a poem with a name Nisar, it's me. डाल आदत लड़ने की मुश्किलों से, कि आने को मुश्किलें और भी है अभी, न समझ इस मंजिल को सफर का अंजाम निसार, के पाने को मंजिलें और भी है अभी. So guys, my philosophy has always been, as Robert Frost says, miles to go before I sleep, miles to go before I sleep. It's great talking to you. It's great that you all have been with me throughout my journey and your support. There is so much more I have to do. I have only done 20-30% of what I could do. And I know I have to use my D-Bay philosophy a lot of times. बहुत कुछ decide करना है, बहुत कुछ execute करना है, and if you guys are there, I think we can do it together. Thank you.